Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Google Flights. This powerful tool makes finding and comparing airline tickets incredibly simple, helping you discover the best deals and routes for your travel plans. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.com/flights. This will bring you to the Google Flights homepage where you can start planning your journey. Once you're there, you'll notice a clean, straightforward interface designed to make flight searching easy. The first thing you need to do is input your departure location. Look for the first field, which acts as the from field. Click on it and type in the city or airport you'll be flying from. Google Flights will suggest options as you type, making it quick to select the right location. Next, move to the second field, which is the to field. Here you'll enter your destination. Just like before, start typing and select from the suggested locations that appear. This ensures you're choosing the correct airport or city for your trip. Now it's time to set your travel dates. Click on the date fields and input both your departure date and your return date. A calendar will appear, making it easy to select the exact days you want to travel. Choosing flexible dates can sometimes help you find better deals. At the top of the page, you'll see an option that says round trip. Click on this drop-down menu, and you'll be able to choose between round trip, one-way, or multi-city. If you're planning a simple there and back journey, stick with round trip. If you only need a one-way ticket, select that option. And if you're visiting multiple destinations, choose multi-city, which allows you to input several locations and create a more complex itinerary. Next, look for the person icon near the top of the search fields. Click on it to specify the number of travelers. You'll see fields for adults, children, infants in seat, and infants on lap. Enter the appropriate numbers for your group. This ensures that the search results reflect the correct number of passengers. Right next to this, you'll find the cabin class selector, which by default shows economy. Click on it to reveal more options. Economy include basic, economy exclude basic, premium economy, business, and first. Choose the class that fits your budget and comfort preferences. Keep in mind that selecting different classes will affect both price and availability. Once you've filled in all these details, it's time to search. Click the search button and Google Flights will process your request. Within moments, you'll see a list of available flights that match your criteria. These results will show you various airlines, flight times, and prices, making it easy to compare your options. Browse through the results and click on any flight that catches your interest. This will expand the details, showing you more information about the specific route, layovers, and airline. After selecting your outbound flight, you'll need to choose a returning flight. Click on one of the available return options that works for your schedule. This step completes the round-trip selection. Next, you'll see different booking options appear. These might include various travel agencies or direct airline bookings. Review your choices carefully, then click Continue on the option that suits you best. At this point, Google Flights will redirect you to a new tab. This tab will take you directly to the website of the specific airline you chose. Here, you'll be able to complete your booking by entering passenger details, payment information, and any additional preferences like seat selection or baggage options. And that's it. You've successfully used Google Flights to find and book your flight. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.